Good morning. I am S.Sameema Begum, Department of Pharmacognosy. Today we are going to discuss about the extraction techniques of crude drugs. First, what do you mean by extraction? So, extraction means separation of active constituents from the crude drug. That is extraction. Or otherwise, it's a isolation of constituents from the crude drug by using a suitable solvent. So, by using it is obtained from crude drug means from plant, animal or mineral source. So, plant means we are well known about that, and animal tissues like that. So, in this method, the wanted components are dissolved by the use of selective solvents. That is, the solvent is called as, otherwise called as menstruum, and undissolved part is a mark. So, it is the extraction process. So, after the extraction, the unwanted matter is removed. This is the introduction about extraction. Next, what are the steps involved in the extraction? So, we are doing the extraction means the 5 steps are involved. First one is size reduction, second one is extraction, third one is filtration, fourth one is concentration, and fifth one is drying. So, these are the 5 steps involved in the extraction process. So, size reduction means when we are taking the crude drug means we are that's the entire drug we are taking, that means the extraction is not sufficient. So that we have to maximize the surface area and increase the mass transfer, and the particle mesh size is 30 to 40 mesh size is the optimum for the crude drug. Then extraction, for the extraction process we are using various methods. So after that I have discussed. Then filtration, after extraction we have to filter it by using muslin cloth, filter paper and filter brush. And the concentration, after filtration it was evaporated to solvent by concentrated by evaporation method, and by artificially we are doing that hot air oven and vacuum dryer and rotary vacuum evaporator. Then after the fifth, next we have to dry that. So for the drying process we have to use drying by using directly by sun drying or by tray drying, spray drying we have to use. These are the steps involved in the process of extraction. Next we have to go for the extraction methods. So there is various methods are available. So it is divided into 2 parts, that is a conventional methods and a modern methods. Conventional method involves, that is a maceration, percolation, decoction, fermentation, infusion, digestion. These are the olden methods. And modern methods involve, that is a countercurrent extraction, supercritical fluid extraction, microwave assisted extraction, ultrasonification. For the volatile oil, if we are distillating the volatile oil means from the crude drug we are distillating the volatile oil means we have to go for the distillation process. Distillation process, there is a various methods are there, steam distillation, hydro distillation and thermomicro distillation process are available. So first we have to go for that is the first one. So that is the first maceration. So maceration means what? That is a macerate means that is a soak. That is a simply we have to say that it is a soak. So we have to take the crude drug and the solvent we have to macerate it for 3 to 4 days. After 3 to 4 days we have to filter it and evaporate to dryness. We are getting the crude extract. That is the maceration process. Then decoction. Decoction means we have to we have well known. That's a tea we have to put the decoction method. So like that we have to take the drug and solvent and boil it. After that we have to filter and filtrate is evaporate to dryness. That is the decoction method. Next one, that is the percolation. So percolation means it's a pass through. This meaning is pass through. It is a continuous flow of solvent through the bed of crude drug and material to be get the extracted. So it implies the slow passage of menstruum under the influence of gravity through the column of the drug powder, and during this movement it goes on extracting the drug molecules layer wise. So in percolation the drug is exhaustively extracted by fresh menstruum, used most frequently to extract the active ingredients, preparation of the tinctures and fluid extract. So for this method we have to use the percolator is used. The percolator is same like that of the separating funnel. So on that we have to put the crude drug Then we have to put this menstruum. Though it will be allowed to for 24 hours, it was strained. Then after 24 hours, it was filtered and evaporated to dryness. This is a filtration method. That's the next infusion method. Infusion method means we have to take the boiled, that is a boiled solvent. To the boiled solvent, we have to add the drug and it will keep for 30 minutes. Then we have to filter and filtrate it, evaporate to dryness. That is, the infusion is cold infusion and hot infusion. Cold infusion means we have to directly, without heat, we have to put the drug and water, wait for 10 minutes, then we have to filter. That is a cold infusion. Then hot infusion means boiled solvent to the boiled solvent. Boiled solvent means, example, boiled water. We have to put the drug, crude drug, then wait for 30 minutes, then filter and filtrate it, evaporate to dryness. We are getting the extract. So it is example, that is a green tea. We have to prepare the green tea now, that is a infusion method. Next, that's a decoction, the infusion. Next one is digestion. Digestion is nothing but it is a modified maceration method. Modified maceration method. Usually maceration means just we have to soak the drug and it is keep for 3 to 4 days. So but here in this method we are using the same way, but here we are using controlled temperature and pressure we are maintaining the digester. So here we are using the digester apparatus used. So this digester apparatus controlled by temperature and pressure, so that the extraction is more efficient. So that this method is very preferable. Okay. Next, these are the methods available for the conventionally we have to available for extracting the crude drug. So next we have to study the modern methods of extraction. Modern methods of extraction involves supercritical fluid extraction, microwave assisted extraction, ultrasonification, countercurrent extraction, hydrodistillation or steam distillation, that's for volatile oil. So these are the modern methods of extraction techniques. So next class next session we have to continue this. Okay, thank you.